Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming essentials so the widget can appear. Open Settings now and go straight to Lock Screen or Widgets. This is where you add elements. Make sure location and whether permissions are allowed because the widget needs both to show accurate data. If you use a passcode, have it ready. You may need to authenticate when changing lock screen widgets. Once done, tap the field for adding or editing widgets and prepare to select the weather option. Now you'll add and configure the widget itself. Tap Add Widget and pick weather from the list. Sizes matter. Small shows basic info, medium gives more detail, large displays forecasts, so choose what fits your lock screen. Next, set which location the widget uses and confirm refresh frequency if available. This controls how fresh the data stays. Make sure you accept any permission dialogues that appear. Without them, the widget won't update. After selection, position the widget where you want it on the lock screen. Finish by saving your lock screen layout and then lock the device to verify the weather widget appears and updates. If it's missing or shows stale data, toggle location and weather permissions off then on. This often forces a refresh. If the problem persists, restart your device. That clears temporary glitches. As a last resort, reinstall or update the weather app and repeat the widget add process. One key tip: check battery or background restriction settings because aggressive power saving can prevent updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.